Well, as you may or may not know, fitted these crash bars yesterday, but I don't like the looks of this hardware, so I'm just going over to the hardware store, and you can see I haven't been on her for quite a while. Well, a week maybe. So let's see what gives. No, don't do this. Well, that's unusual. It's 25 degrees outside. You'd say you don't need the choke anymore, but you do. It's very strange seeing these things here. Well, I've got the hardware I so desperately needed. The finishing touch, costing just about an arm and a leg, of course. Then again, these crash bars were pretty cheap. New old stock, not original Honda. I think I put them on the right way. It's the only way they fit. Maybe. You know, I always look at gloves when I'm in a motorcycle shop, but I never buy any. Oh, a key might be practical. Well, the weather looks very Dutch. If you ever need a weapon, you're okay when you have keys. Okay. sits for a